Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we are diving into a massive shift happening right under our noses. Millions of people are literally bypassing the traditional 9 to 5 to build real digital wealth straight from their kitchen tables in 2026. If you've been wondering how to actually build leverage without, falling for the usual gimmicks, or if you think you need a massive pile of cash to even begin, you're in the exact right place. We're going to break down the grounded, actionable paths people are using right now to completely redefine how they work, earn, and live.
So here's our roadmap for today. We'll start with the new home economy, then build your digital foundation, create scalable digital assets, look at stacking multiple income streams, and finally, ground it all with a consistency reality check. Let's get to it.
Section 1. The new home economy. Trading commutes for laptops.
You might be asking yourself, earning real money without leaving home? It kind of sounds a bit too good to be true, right? I mean, a decade ago, that was a luxury reserved for a very select few. But today? Well, the data and the reality of the global workforce tell a completely different story.
Think about the old economy for a second. It was defined by the daily grind, stressful rush-hour commutes, relying entirely on one single paycheck from a single employer, and needing massive upfront investments just to start a traditional business. But the 2026 economy flips this entire concept on its head. It's driven by laptops, powerful AI tools, and instant access to a huge pool of global clients. You don't need a massive bank loan or a physical storefront anymore. This isn't some flash-in-the-pan scam. This is just the new normal of digital leverage.
So how do you actually jump in and thrive in this landscape? Well, based on our source material, we've zeroed in on 7 real, viable methods to generate digital wealth that absolutely anyone can start using today. No magical shortcuts here, just proven, actionable paths.
Section 2. Building your digital foundation. Active income and skills.
Okay, the absolute fastest way to get the ball rolling is freelancing. Basically offering your services directly to businesses all over the globe. Look, if you already have a skill, you can offer it online right now. Businesses everywhere are actively searching for talented folks for writing, virtual assistants, marketing, you name it. You could be managing schedules for a fast-paced startup in London while hanging out in your living room in Ohio. You are essentially trading your time and your refined skills directly for income. And the best part? It requires almost zero financial overhead to begin.
Now, to truly level up your freelancing game, you've got to develop what we call high-income skills. We're talking copywriting, video editing, programming, digital marketing, sales, and graphic design. These are deemed high income because they directly help businesses make money or capture attention in a super noisy world. And it's simple math, really. The more valuable your skills become, the greater your earning potential. Honestly, investing a few months into mastering just one of these can literally pay dividends for years, giving you the power to confidently command much higher rates.
But wait, how do you actually scale those skills without totally burning out? Well, AI is your secret weapon. Remember, AI is a tool, not your replacement. I know there's a lot of fear out there about artificial intelligence sweeping away jobs, but the reality of the 2026 economy is that these tools are fundamentally changing how we work, and for the better. They are absolutely incredible for rapid brainstorming, drafting copy, doing the heavy lifting on research, and streamlining your code. The impact this has on your daily output is just staggering. Doing the work all by yourself severely limits your capacity, obviously. But when you integrate AI, you dramatically increase the number of clients you can serve in the exact same amount of time. The pros out there aren't being replaced, they're evolving. They are turning into highly efficient, one-person agencies using technology to gain a massive advantage in the digital marketplace.
Moving on to Section 3, creating scalable digital assets, shifting from time to assets. So, once you have some active income flowing in from your freelance work, you need to make a mental shift. You have to stop trading hours for dollars and start building assets. Take a YouTube channel, for example. A channel is a fantastic long-term digital asset. And here is the secret that stops so many people before they even hit record. You absolutely do not need expensive cameras or fancy studio lighting. Some of the most successful creators today started with super simple setups, just using their smartphones. Your focus just needs to be on consistently creating useful content. That catalog of videos acts like a digital employee working for you 24/7, quietly building an audience and generating revenue while you sleep.
And making the leap from physical to digital products, that changes the whole game.
Physical goods demand upfront inventory, shipping costs, and dealing with massive supply chain headaches. But digital products, things like Notion templates, financial planners, or comprehensive online courses, they live entirely in the cloud. That means no shipping and zero physical storage space. Just imagine designing a really clever budgeting template once on a Sunday afternoon and having it sell thousands of times to customers across the globe over the next year. That right there is the pure definition of a highly scalable income source.
Now, if you aren't quite ready to create your own digital products from scratch, no worries. Affiliate marketing lets you recommend existing products and earn a commission through a simple referral link. But, and this is a big but, the key to making this actually work in the long run is trust. You build trust with an audience, maybe through that YouTube channel we just talked about or a niche newsletter, and then you recommend products or software that you genuinely believe will solve their problems. It is a fantastic, super low overhead way to monetize an engaged audience.
Section 4. Stacking multiple income streams. The path to wealth mastery.
Which brings us to the ultimate goal of the 2026 home economy: building multiple income streams. If you study people who are highly successful financially, you'll spot a pattern pretty quickly. They almost never rely on just one single source of income. Think about it. Depending entirely on a single paycheck from one boss is actually incredibly risky. If that company downsizes, your entire financial foundation just vanishes overnight.
So instead of hanging all your hopes on a single vulnerable job, your income should be divided into resilient slices. Picture this: you build one reliable stream from freelance copywriting, maybe another from ad revenue on your growing YouTube channel, a third from selling digital courses, and a fourth from the dividends of your long-term investments. Combining your efforts like this creates incredible stability. If one stream temporarily dries up, the others step in and seamlessly keep you afloat. It significantly reduces financial anxiety and really accelerates your compounding wealth.
Finally, Section 5, the consistency reality check, grounding your 2026 strategy.
Look, we have to be real here. Making money from home is not some get-rich-quick scheme. It requires a strict roadmap. Step 1, choose one specific method. Step 2, master it completely. And Step 3, build from there. It is absolutely vital that you don't fall for shiny object syndrome. Trying to launch a YouTube channel, a freelance video editing business, and an affiliate marketing blog all in the exact same week, that is a guaranteed recipe for burnout. Focus intensely on creating value in one single area first. Stabilize that income and only then expand into the multiple streams we just went over.
As our source material brilliantly points out, the people who succeed online usually aren't the ones who start with the most money. They're the ones who keep learning and keep showing up. Honestly, that is such a vital reminder. Consistency is your biggest competitive advantage in the digital world. It outpaces natural talent every time, and it absolutely outpaces initial funding. You simply have to keep showing up.
So as we wrap up this explainer, I've got a question for you. Which of these paths are you going to master first? Are you going to dive into learning high-income skills like digital marketing? Will you leverage AI to supercharge the freelance work you're already doing? Or are you going to start building your own digital product empire today? The 2026 home economy is wide open and waiting for you, but that crucial first step, well, that is entirely up to you. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today to explore this material. Keep learning, and I genuinely can't wait to see what you build.